Hello! Hi, Graham. Hi, Brownham. Why Graham and Brownham, mommy named
They
it?
are brown and gray, and their hair.
Ayos ba yan?
Oh, I see
Kaya
one
approve naman
outside.
nila. So, he is Brownham
What outside?
and Graham.
She can't see it because I'm over here. Okay.
Sticky naman pala nito.
Oh
Ayaw na matanggal.
Bakit di kaya, love?
My daddy.
Can you get a rock, Jen? A small rock para balance yung ating
Hi,
table.
Graham. Say
Under
hi,
this.
Graham.
Go outside,
Hi,
get some rock.
Why?
Oh, naka Hello Kitty box
Not too
sila.
small, not
Why
too
Hello
big.
Kitty box?
Because they're female.
Both.
Ano
Yeah,
ba
both.
yan? Nakakainis. Hindi pa na. Hindi pa
Naku,
na.
love. Don't say anything.
Meron ka pa bang ganito yung pandikit? Bumili kaya ka.
Double side. Ay, oo, yung ano.
Saan? Where is it?
Nandun sa...
I need it.
Yeah. Ito lang kung nasa...
Okay sana ganyan.
Ayan, bakit? Kailangan mataas.
Para pag inom nila. Kaso, ano yun?
Daddy, hurry up!
Kaso nalalaglag. So,
Hurry
it's
up!
supposed to be middle.
Hi, hamsters. They are called... What's their name?
Put in the middle.
The A?
Graham.
Not on the
No,
side.
Brownham.
This is Brownham. This is Graham.
It's too high. It's too bulky.
They are...
And it's sliding too.
They
Too shiny
are
yung
in-
bato mo.
You want the rock? He wants the rock.
Put it away. Baka mabasa. This one needs to be fixed in here.
They are in
Hello Kitty box.
box because they are
Female.
female.
This one is mabait.
Parang mabait.
Yeah.
See? Okay, say bye. See you later.
Amen.
Hi. Sino yan?
Graham.
Si Graham? Ah?
Brownham.
Brown babe, I love.
Ah, okay ko. Orange.
Nalito na.
Eh, dalawa kulay eh. Gray and brown. Eh, eto gray lang to eh. O, diba? Gray lang siya oh.
So ano pala siya, babe? Dual ham.
Dual,
Si Baltic pala isa. Si Baltic.
Isa hamburger. Ayan.
Si Baltic pala yun eh. Oh. Iba-iba kulay.
Ayan.
Ay, parang ano ng J.
Want it? Done.
JM, JC, JJ, Nasa school pa si JJ.
It's too high.
Ayan o, si JJ. Ay, JJ.
Wait,
Ay, JJ.
Mommy, where's their food?
Get the cereal.
Cereal?
Yeah. And nuts.
Sabi na nga, bye. See you later. Pagdating ulit ng JJ, eh, bye.
We need to change that.
Bye, Graham. Bye, Brownham.